All right, we got a really nice one here. This is an ARE, the MX series. This is a little over cab high, about 4 6-inch raise over cab heights. Fits the 14 to current Toyota Tundra Crew Cab with a 5.5 foot bed. It's got sliding windows on the side. This one has not even ever been installed, so this is technically new, but it does have a little bit of damage to it. It's built for the 18 body, specifically for the 18 Tundra Crew Cab with a 5.5 foot bed, but it fits the 14 to current models. IG3 magnetic gray is the color on this. It has one small scratch that I can see on this, and that's right there. Really, that's the only thing I can find wrong with this at all, is this scratch right here. It's got sliding windows in the side. It's got the fake Vista window in the top front there, as long as the picture window in the front against the cab. Picture window. It's got the sliding window in the side of this. I mean, you can see inside there, the installation kit is still hanging in the window. This thing's never even been installed. This one's, I mean, there's nothing to show you as far as any damage on this at all. It's perfect, other than that other side. As you can see here, it is specifically built, was for the ordered for the an 18 Toyota Tundra with the 66.7 bed. That fits 14 to current bodies. Carpeted interior inside. As you can see in here, it's all carpeted inside. Oh, you know what? I've seen one small spot in the carpet. Looks like, oh, it's, I'm not sure what that was, but it's a patch from factory. You can barely see it, but it looks like there might have been a hole in it and they patched it from factory. Hole in the carpet, not a hole in the cap. Serial number. It's a little bit hard to read that one because the forks are in the way. So yeah, this one's a nice one. This will save you some money over a new one if you can deal with a small little scratch there on the driver's side. I want around the other side here to get a little bit better view of this. But 5.5 foot crew cab, Toyota Tundra, 14 to current body, 14 to 20 body style.